In this video, I will show you how to enable Do Not Track on Google Chrome browser in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Chrome browser. And once you've opened up Google Chrome, what you can then do is come up to the top right-hand corner and click onto these three dots, which says Customize and Control. And from this menu that comes up, what you want to do is come down and click onto Settings. From your settings, what you want to do now is come over to the left-hand side, and on this menu, you want to click onto Privacy and Security. And in the Privacy and Security section that comes up, you want to go ahead and click onto Third-Party Cookies. At this point, all you need to do is scroll down slightly, and in this advanced section down here, you're going to see an option to send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. So all you need to do is turn the switch on, just like so. At this point, you're going to get a pop-up message. As you can see, it says enabling Do Not Track means that a request will be included with your browsing traffic. Any of it depends on whether a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. For example, some websites may respond to this request by showing you ads that aren't based on other websites you visited, but many websites will still collect and use your browsing data. For example, to improve security, to provide content services ads and recommendations on their websites, and to generate reporting statistics. Now, what you can do is click this link here to read a bit more in depth about this. But what this basically means is that the Do Not Track is going to be enabled, but not all websites will honor this request. So that's just something to note there, but that is basically how to enable Do Not Track on Google Chrome browser in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.